Hello students, it's I am going to explain today arithmetic progression. Two parts I have explained already. Now I am going to explain the third term. The third part, not third term. So question 1 is as the fourth term of an AP is 0, prove that its 25th term is triple its 11th term. As we know, Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So, what is a and what is d? A is the first term of AP and d is the common difference. Now, I am going to explain it as solve here and let its first term is first term is of an AP is A and common difference is D. And we know Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. As given in the question, its fourth term is 0. So T4 will be 0, T4 equal to 0 as A plus 3D equal to 0. Now A equal to minus 3D. It is first equation. As they have explained in the next, prove that its 25th term is triple its 11th term. Now we write it. We can prove that 25th term is 3 times of 11th term as T 25th by T 11th will be A plus 24D by A plus 10D. As we know, the value of A is minus 3D, so we will put here the value of A in this minus 3D plus 24D by A as 3D and it is 10D. Now we write here as 24 minus 3, it will be 21D and 7 minus 3, 10 minus 3, it is 7D. As we know, 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. So we will cancel 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. So it is 3. So we can write it as T25 by T11 equal to 3 by 1 or T25 equal to 3 times of T11. Thus we have proved here. Now next question. Now we are going to solve the next question. Question number 2. Find the nth term of the AP whose 7th term is minus 1 and 16th term is 17. So first we solve as make the equation from 7th term is minus 1 and 16th term is 17. Then we find A and B, A and D, and then we find the nth term. As we are going to solve here, as solution of this one is let A first term is A, first first term is A and common difference is D. So its Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. As we know, according to the first condition, in the first condition it is given at seventh term is minus 1. T7 equal to minus 1. As we know, the T7 will be A plus 6D and it is minus 1. It is the first equation. Now, next is given 16th term is 17. So, T16 equal to A plus 15D equal to 17. So, we find the from here A and D. Subtracting equation 1 from second. Subtracting subtracting equation 1 from equation second. Then we subtract here as A second is A plus 15D equal to 17 and first is A plus 6D, it is minus 1. So we will subtract here and change the sign. Now A cancelled. Now 15 minus 6 it is 9D. It be 17 plus 1 it is 18. D equal to 18 by 9. It is 18 by 9. It be 2. As we have find here D is 2. Now we find the A. So we take the first equation. Then from first equation first as A plus 6D equal to minus 1 as D is 2. A plus 6 into 2 equal to minus 1 as A equal to minus 1, then minus 12, it will be minus 13. Now A is minus 13 as we have seen here. As we have find it, as first term A is minus 13, D common difference is 2. We want to know the Tn as Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we put here A is minus 13 and n minus 1 into 2. So we will write here minus 13 plus 2n minus 2. So we will write here as 2n and minus 13 minus 2, it is minus 15. Tn will be 2n minus 15. Now we go into the next question. As here is third question, the sum of the second term and seventh term of an AP is 30 and its 15th term is one less than the twice of its eighth term and we want to find AP. Let its first term is First term is A and common difference CD is D, then APB equal to A, comma, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and this one. So it is generality. Now we are going to solve according to the question. And first condition is here is first as sum of second term. As we know, the Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T second plus T seventh equal to 30. Now T second is A plus D, T seventh is A plus 6D, it is 30. Now we will solve it. It be 2A plus 7D equal to 30. It is equation number 1. Now we going to the second case. As second is here, second condition or second case, if 15th term is 1 less, T15 is 1 less the twice of T8. As it is 1 less, so we will add here 1 to make it equal. And it is here T8. Now we write here T15 is as A plus 14D plus 1 and 2 into T8 A plus 7D. Now we solve it. A plus 14D 14D plus 1 equal to 2A plus 14D. Now this here 14D is both sides, so it be cancelled. Now we transpose 14 minus 14, it be cancelled here as 1 equal to 2A minus A or A equal to 1. Now we are going to find the D in the next step. As first equation is A 2A plus 7B equal to 30 here. The value of A as we have found it A equal to 1. Now 2 into 1 plus 7D equal to 30. Now 2 plus 7D 2 plus 7D equal to 30. 30. Now 7D equal to 30 minus 2. It will be 28. Then D equal to 28 by 7. It is 4. As we have found it here, A equal to 1 and D equal to 4. Now we find the AP. As we have written here AP, A first term is A, then A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. And therefore, AP will be as A plus D, A plus 2D, and A plus 3D, and so on. As now A is 1, A is 1 here, and A 1 plus D 4 as 1 plus 2 into 4. Now third term is 1 plus 3 into 4. Now other terms we can find this way, as we have find 1 plus 5, 1 5, then 4 to the 8 and 1 9 and 4 3 is 12 and 113. This way, this is the AP which is required according to the question which we have found here. Now we are going to solve the next question. As fourth question, the 25th term of an AP is twice its 10th term according to the first condition, and we want to show that seventh term of is its is 4 times of its 15th term. So first we find the equation from the first condition as according to the question. First we write as solution of this one be according to the question as let its first term is first term is equal to A and common difference CD equal to D. Now we know as Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 n minus 1 into D. So we write as according to the question T24. T T24 will be equal to A plus 23D and T10 equal to A plus 9D, as he is saying it is twice. So T24 T24 equal to 2 into T10, as T24 is A plus 23D equal to 2 into in the bracket A plus 9D. Now we solve it as A plus 23D equal to 2A plus 9 to the 18D. Now we find the value of A and D are, find the equation by transposing here as A plus 23D minus 2A minus 18D equal to 0. As we see A is here, negative value is greater, so 2 minus A, it is A, and plus 18, as 23 minus 18, it will be 5D equal to 0. Or we can write here A equal to 5D. Now we have finally equal to 5D. Now we are going to prove it that T72 by T15, T72 by T15. Now T72 will be A plus 71D and T15 will be A plus 14D. As we know, the value of A is 5D. So we put here, since A equal to 5D, so 5D plus 71D by 5D plus 14D, as we write here, it is 76D by 19D. 19 4 ja 76, so it will be 4 times of its, as we know here, 72 by T15 equal to 4 by 1, by cross product it is T72 equal to 4 into T15. This way we have proved as we want to show. Now we start the question number 6. Question number fifth, not six. As here it is written here, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by six? So we write the two-digit, and it should be the multiple of six. As we start from 12, then 18, then 24, then up to we write the only two-digit, and then 6 here it is divisible by 6, then 96. Now, as we write here, 96 is divisible by 6 also. It is the table of 6. So, let's write here at first term is A, first term, first term is A, first term A is equal to 12 and D equal to 6 and L equal to 96. As we know, L equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So L is 96. Now A is 12. N I don't know. Then D is 6. Then 12. 96 minus 12. It is 6 into n minus 1. Now 12 is, so here will be 6 minus 2, it is 4. 9 minus 1, it is 8. Now it is divisible by 6 also. Now n minus 1, it will be 84 by 6. Then 6 1 is 6. 6 4 is 24, as n minus 1 equal to 14. Now n equal to 14 plus 1, it will be 15. Now there are 15 terms. Now he want to know how many numbers. So numbers will be 15. Now we going to solve question number 6. And how many numbers are there between 101 and 999, which are divisible by both and 2 and 5? If numbers are divisible by both 2 and 5, it means its LCM be LCM of 2 and 5 will be 10. It means the number should be divisible by 10 and should be between 101 and 999. It means it will be 110, 120, 130 up to as 990. Because it should be less than 999, it should be greater than 101. Then how many numbers are there? Question is this. As we know, the first term has A equal to 110 and CD common difference is 10 and L will be 990. As we know, L equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. L is 990 as A equal to 100, then 110 and N minus 1 and D is 10 here. So first we transpose 110 to the left as 990 minus 110 equal to 10 into n minus 1, as here we subtract here as 9 minus 1 it is 8 and 0 minus 0 it is 0, then here also it will be 8. It is 10 into n minus 1. Now n minus 1 equal to 880 by 10, 0 cancel, as n equal to 88 plus 1, it will be 89. Now terms are 89 here. Now we going to the next question. Now we going to explain about arithmetic mean. As we know, mean means average or middle term here. As we know, let if A, M, and B are the terms of AP. Terms of AP. It means M minus A equal to B minus M. Or it is middle term, or we can say D1 equal to D2. Now we solve it by transposing M. When we transpose to the left M, it will be plus M equal to A plus B. Or 2M equal to A plus B, or M equal to A plus B by 2. It means we can say it mean equal to sum of nearest two terms and divided by 2. It is the mean. On the basis of mean, we are going to solve the other sums, as here question is given here as three terms are given: 3k minus 2, 3k, 3k minus 2, and 4k minus 6, and k plus 2 are in AP. Then find the value of k. Find the value of k. Or in AP, find the value of k. Find the value of k. As we know here, as m equal to a plus b by 2, or we can write it d1 equal to d2 if the terms are in AP, as d1 will be 4k minus 6, then minus 3k minus 2 equal to k plus 2, then minus 4k minus 6, or 4k minus 6 minus 3k plus 2 equal to k plus 2 minus 4k plus 6. As we solve here, and here is 4k minus 3k k, and 6 is negative, 2 is positive, so here will be 4, and here we see the k is greater, 4k here greater value negative and positive value is less, so here will be 3k minus, then 2 and 6, it is 8. Now we transpose and solve. K plus 3k equal to 8 plus 4, as 4k equal to 12, or k equal to 12 by 4, 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, as k equal to 3.